Ah, hello there. Welcome to the apocalypse. Let's get some food. I don't know how you're doing these days, but I'm feeling kind of depressed, kind of nauseous, kind of not interested in dinner. But I know that if I don't eat, life's going to be awful. By the way, please subscribe. Um, yeah, let's get going. So, what are we making tonight? We are making food from when you don't want no food. Throw a little olive oil, mainly just for luck. This dish is so easy that the first time I made it, let's turn on a burner. I made it in the oven. I just threw this stuff onto a dinner pan, or pardon me, a roasting pan, and threw it in the oven, and a little while later, I had dinner. It's that easy. It's that simple. So, yay, junk mail. So I got the oil heating. I like garlic. So I'm going to take garlic, and yeah, I've adapted. I now routinely smash garlic. And throw that in. Now you'll notice my pan is cold. It's heating up. I turned on the burner, but it is cold. So, let's throw in some butter. The butter is going to cook with the rest of the ingredients because it's basically an ingredient in this one. That's almost not enough butter. Yeah, I hate these days when you just don't feel like eating, but you've got to eat. And you don't know what you want to eat. So, it's actually worse for me because with the supplies and the skills I have, I can pretty much make anything. So some nights I'm just paralyzed trying to figure out what I want to eat. I can make chicken tikka masala. I could just as easily make curried vegetables. I can make Thai food. Oh, larb gai. Yeah, Thai chicken salad, Thai chicken soup, French, no, French anything. I love pasta, so pasta and tomatoes. Do that in a heartbeat. You know, and there are days I'll just sit there and figure out, do I want this, do I want that, and just be stuck there. So that's one of the reasons I tried this the first time. Works great. Okay. Butter, garlic, and oil in the pan. Oh, what doesn't start with that, right? Yeah, the other day I made cauliflower, Provençal style. And yeah, it's wonderful. Oh. Okay. So the butter, excitingly enough, is melted. You thought paint dried? You thought it was exciting to watch paint dry? Now you got to come over here and watch butter melt. A little salt wouldn't be a bad idea. The butter is unsalted, so you might need that. How about some tarragon while I'm at it? Like I said, the first time I made this, I just threw it all into one pan and threw it in the oven. The only problem is that can be kind of messy. Okay. I'm going to throw in a little bit of parsley just to give us the parsley flavor. And the main ingredient, cherry tomatoes that have been rinsed and drained, even if they say they've been pre-washed. We wash everything here. Okay. Shake those around in way too much butter. You can hear the heat. And that is 99% of that. What's going to happen is the tomatoes are going to cook, explode, and release all their juices and then caramelize in the brown butter and create sort of a savory tomato jam with the garlic and the tarragon. In a little while I'll add some lemon juice just for good luck and the rest of the parsley. Yay. So that is it. I know, what am I supposed to do with tomato jam? Now you eat it with some bread. Throw a nice big chunk of butter onto a nice big slice of bread. And then eat it with some very, very rich tomato jam. You can also enjoy it with ham, you know, tapas style. A little bit of ham, maybe some cheese, whatever you're in the mood for. But when you're just not in the mood for food, this works. And like I said, it's just cherry tomatoes, too much butter, tarragon, little salt. I like garlic, parsley, and lemon juice. And if you're feeling really tired, just put it on a pan and throw it in the oven. So that's it. Yeah, still going. Please be good social citizens and like, subscribe, share, blah, 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 blah. And we'll be making more of this food. Yeah, you can hear that cooking. That's going to be ready. Oh, pop, there goes a cherry tomato. That's going to be ready pretty soon. It is going to taste amazing. Literally. If you just have an afternoon and are curious, give this a try. It is really, really good stuff. Especially when you're just feeling tired, kind of nauseous, kind of bored. This just works. So that's it. Welcome to the apocalypse. Everybody eat. You got to keep eating.